Welcome to our channel. Today we how to order CVS OTC items online. Use your Wellcare benefits step by step clearly. First, confirm that your Wellcare plan includes an OTC benefit and note your monthly or quarterly allowance amount. Next, find your Wellcare member ID card and keep it nearby for the information you may need to enter. Then, make sure you have a working email address and a phone number available for account verification. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to the official CVS website. Look for the sign-in option and choose Create Account if you do not already have a CVS.com account. Enter your name, email, and a strong password. Then submit to create your CVS account. Verify your email if CVS sends a confirmation link. Then return to the CVS website to sign in. After signing in, use the search bar and type OTC or Wellcare OTC to find the OTC benefit shopping area. Select the link that matches your OTC benefit program, because CVS may show multiple OTC options. When prompted, choose the option to connect your insurance or benefits to your CVS account. Enter your Wellcare information exactly as it appears on your member card, including ID number and date of birth if required. Complete any identity verification steps, such as a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Once your benefits are linked, open the OTC catalog page or eligible items list for your plan. Use the filters to shop only eligible OTC products, so you avoid items that are not covered. Click an item to read details like size, quantity limits, and whether it is approved for your benefit. Choose the correct quantity and add the item to your cart, staying within any limit rules shown. Repeat the same process for other eligible products like pain relief, cold and flu, vitamins, or first aid supplies. Open your cart and double-check each product for eligibility labels and the quantities you selected. Review your benefit balance in the cart area to make sure your total is within your available allowance. If your total is higher than your allowance, remove items or reduce quantities until the balance shows covered. Proceed to checkout and confirm that the payment method shows your OTC benefit for eligible items. Enter your shipping address carefully and make sure it matches where you can receive deliveries. Select a shipping option if choices are available and verify any shipping fees, if your plan does not cover them. Review the final order page and confirm the benefit amount applied and any out-of-pocket cost if shown. Place the order and wait for the confirmation screen. Then check your email for the order number. Track your shipment from your CVS account orders page so you know the delivery date. If an item is canceled or marked not eligible, contact CVS customer support or the Wellcare OTC helpline for clarification. Before your next order period, check your new allowance date and plan rules so you can plan your next purchase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.